Man, this looks really dark today. I don't know why my screen is so dark, guys. Hold on, give me 2 seconds. Alright, that's better. I don't know if you guys can see it any different, but that's better for me. What's up, Nasty? Squirrel's got his nuts. Oh, yeah. What's going on, Nasty? How's everybody doing in here? Apparently, it's working right now because Nasty's responding, so that's a good sign for all of us. We're going to get started today. Obviously, we get a down day for AMC today, but that's okay. Chris, what's up, Chris? I haven't seen you in a couple days. Chris, how you doing? Hi, Dad. Buy Doge. Buy Doge. Do some good there. Buy Doge. Yes. What's up again, bro, man? What's up again, Breakdown? Diana, how are you? How are you doing? Hey, bro, what's up, Eco? Sup, Clay, bro? What's up, Christian? Man, I like the greetings. Hey, love. Hey, Ebony, how are you doing? Down day's a buy day. Get it at a discount, Blackjack, Clay, Brony. What's up, Daniel? How are you guys doing? Venny, Amy's. Yeah, everybody's in here. This is nice. This is nice. Cecilio, what up? There you go, Chris. There you go. You don't have to hit all the lives, man. I know people are at work. People are they're busy. They don't need to hang out here all the time. Yo, what's up, Bay Area? I'm great. I'm great too, Ebony. Today's a good day. It is. Keeping up with the live streams. You're doing a great job. Thank you, Truth. Yeah, man. I feel like it's a good thing. I feel like, relieves a lot of stress for some people, causes a lot of stress for some other people, so it evens out. It's good in my book. How do you avoid high taxes when you cash out? Very difficult to avoid your taxes, man. Very difficult. Trying to buy your toddler some Lambos. There you go, Chris. There you go. All right. There's a lot of new updates we don't know. Clay Bro, inform us. Christian, we got a lot of stuff going on with AMC, don't we? Buy property. Hey, good investment post squeeze, right? Don't pay them. If you want to avoid them, you can not pay them. You might have some problems afterwards, but hey. Buy high-flying stock in an IRA account. There you go, man. That's another good idea. Chilling, holding 4,000 shares. Venny's got gosh, man. I love it. I love seeing this type of stuff. These guys sitting on 4,000 shares. Apparently, we've got apparently. My brother made fun of me the other day for saying apparently, like that one kid that was in the interview. Apparently, this is the first time I'm on national television. No, what was I going to say now? Dang. Oh, apparently there are 3 million individual shareholders of AMC. Is that the latest? Is that what we saw from Adam Aaron there? Holding 2,200 shares. My gosh, Raul, man, difficult name. Matt Perry. Look, guys, Matt Perry's got a blue name today. That means you better all behave, right? Matt, I already silenced my phone, so you won't see any text messages or anything coming through. Change Venny to Venimo. Yes. Who else putting some money in Doge after the squeeze? Dude, what do you guys think about this? Tell me this, because I'm going to be honest. I got my Doge limit set. Well, I don't have an actual limit on there, but if Doge creeps close to $1, I think I got to sell. What do you guys got on Doge right now? You guys think it's going to break $1, or do you think that all the hype surrounding the actual dollar is going to cause people to, put their limits a little below $1? You're not selling even if it gets close to $1? You think it'll break $1? Okay. I'm thinking people are gonna have their like that dollar limit is such hype that people are gonna be thinking that that's a line in the sand. Me too, Trauma. I think a ton of people are gonna set up and just say $1. Don't sell. Don't sell. You think hold? Guys, you can always get back in though, right? I mean, Doge isn't a squeeze play or anything like that. You can always get back. You can get back in Doge like 3 minutes later if you want. My gosh, Cecilia, if you bought it, what'd you say, a year ago? Yeah, you're doing real nice. So that's what I'm thinking, Austin. I think that's a decent play. Clay, bro, JT Wisco, what's up? Average price on Doge is like, I think it's right around 26 something, 26 and change. Holders will always hold. This is true, but I really think there's going to be a big drop once you get close to $1. Even if I say a big drop is like back down to 70 cents, I mean, 70, that's a 30% drop, man. You can still get back in and do real good. We will be talking about AMC. Yes, Carlos, absolutely. Just letting some more people roll in. I know nobody sits here right at the beginning to jump right in. Why, dude, did you send me another one? All right, big dog. Right after I probably have to go to the bathroom right after the stream, but then I'll get your email right after the stream, man. Can the SEC or DTC? Well, yeah, I mean, they could. Austin. Yeah, they could cause a margin call to take place. Absolutely. That's why these hedge funds are regulated. That's why the stock market is regulated. 33 shares of AMC. Nice, Aurora. Where a what? Where gathered? No. No, not happening. I can hold it for an hour and a half and we're good. We're good on that. Let's go for a ride, Clay Bro. Clay Bro's Kia Forte. He's calling my name. Gosh, man, you guys are crazy with these names. Clay Bro's Kia Forte. All right, let's go for a ride. We'll go for a ride at like 5 o'clock right after this, right? Regulated. Hey, Wilma. I didn't say they were tightly regulated, now did I? I said they were regulated. All right? Yeah. I said they still have rules to follow. If they break them, they get in trouble. But I didn't say that, people are staring down their back now, Wilma. Come on. Cut me some slack, right? We have to believe in some sort of rules. Otherwise, we live in anarchy. Otherwise, if we don't believe in any rules, we live in Matt Perry's world, right? When I don't, I troll Weeble. Right, when Matt's not giving me a hard time, he's giving somebody else a hard time. I love it. The Kia Forte has a lot to say. It does, man. Happy Cinco de Mayo. Guys, I just ate, actually. I wanted to make a quesadilla for Cinco de Mayo. That'll be a little after the stream, I guess. Maybe for dinner. Cinco de Mayo. I'll cut it into 5 pieces. 5 pieces, right? Cinco de Mayo. There you go, Daniel. Cinco de Mayo AMC. I like it. Cinco de Mayo AMC. But it doesn't seem like many people are buying today. What do we got on volume? Nobody's buying today, guys. 24 million volume. Prices down. Nobody's buying. Tequila shots for everybody. On Clay. And water shots, man. Water shots. Water shots on Clay all day and night. We can drink as much water as we want. On the house. Reinvesting in AMC. It would have made me rich. Hey. Good strategy. Good strategy. But make sure you don't hold your shares through the squeeze, right? Blue, I don't want you to hold your shares through the squeeze. I like how you said, reinvesting in AMC. That's what I'm talking about there. Everyone should get a Kia Forte. Wait until Kia starts throwing some videos on this. Then go buy a Kia. Don't go buy them for nothing. Let Kia throw some ads on here, and then you can go buy them. What? Chimto coin? Dude, I've never even heard of Chimto coin. Is it brand new? Tell me. Tasha bought more on sale today. I like it. Kia Forte Club. That would be a good club. Very responsible, ecological, economical. Yeah, that's a very good one. Negative on the Kia. Chris, man. You need a car that you can drive when it's raining. You can drive the Lambo when it's sunny. Drive the Kia when it's raining. Am I still a shill? Aurora, you were here before. Do you think I am? I don't know. AMC is going to be the last monumental squeeze for a while. If you guys want my thoughts on that one, here, I'll give you my thoughts on that one, okay? I guarantee you, if AMC squeezes the way that everybody hopes it squeezes, one of 2 things is going to happen. All of these hedge funds, Nick F. just stopping in. Thanks for the drive-by, Nick F. I love it. Got 2 moderators in here right now. Nice. You guys better behave. One, hedge funds are either going to learn, or, Matt's going to kick me. No, he won't kick you. Or, retail investors are going to learn, and the retail investors will be looking for squeezes like they've never looked for squeezes before. So, I'm going to go with the latter because I don't think hedge funds are going to learn their lesson. So, I don't think that AMC will be the last squeeze. Everything's going to be under fire and under focus after that we could really see a lot of follow squeezes, especially a lot of trickle-down effect as well. How can I become a moderator? Chris F, man, show up every day. Look, Nick F, Chris DF, Chrisish DF. Look, Nick F is like main moderator, right? He was taking a break today. Dude's on vacation. I don't know, slacking, whatever he's doing. But we got Matt subbing in today. Otherwise, I'll turn all your guys' names blue, and then everybody's going to be like, yeah, moderator chat. If you have to ask, you can't be a mod. Well, it doesn't hurt to ask, right? Nobody's gonna say it hurts to ask. After it squeezes, we got to get at least one share in Berkshire Hathaway, right? Not a fractional share. I'm talking like full share, 400,000. Actually, that would be cool. Instead of like driving your Lambo around, just like drive around with a framed share of Berkshire Hathaway. And then people will really know you made it. Forget the Lambo. Like just drive around and you carry a picture maybe of your Berkshire Hathaway share, or you actually carry the framed share. If you want to look boss, that's the way to do it. Drive your Kia Forte. Get a custom license plate that says like Bro Burke or Bro Burka, and you're good to go. Then they'll know. And a picture of Papa Buffett, exactly. Yeah, we can do it. We can do it. I think it'll dip to 5 to 6 again, Mike. If we, here's the deal on that. I do think it'll hit 5 to 6 again if we fall through this level of support here at like $9. Okay, I think it's very possible that we hit that 5 to 6 if we fall through the support. I'm hoping we don't fall through the support, but if we do, yeah, I mean the next line of support you're gonna see is around like $5.60 is gonna be some pretty good support that you're gonna see if it drops through this $9 range. I mean, I don't want to sit there on a loss, but you know, whatever. Buy 3K worth if it does. Nice, Mike. Don't shoot it up too high. Let us all average down a little bit and get in there. Is it bad for the squeeze if it falls lower? Chris, I don't think it's... Listen, here's the deal on that. It's not bad for the... Yes, it is bad for the squeeze and the fact that the hedge funds will be making money on their short positions if it falls lower. But it's good for the squeeze in the fact that a lot of people are going to be, you know, tempted to go out and buy more. They're going to say, man, this is a really good deal right now. And if a ton of buy orders come in and shoot the price up, then that's going to be great for the squeeze. So it's like, obviously if they hold the price down, it's terrible for the squeeze, you know? Can I explain Courtney? I hope Courtney is another person because I cannot explain Courtney. She sounds like a very complicated woman, and I can't explain her. So I can explain AMC. I can explain the squeeze much better than I can explain Courtney. So scroll up. See, I missed these comments, guys. I missed these comments, and then it leads to some very weird stuff. Like, can I explain Courtney? No, I can't. Maybe she can explain herself, but I certainly can't explain her. So I'm very sorry for that. Yeah. I don't know. Okay, I want to know this. Did you guys see Courtney live? All right, guys, what did Courtney say? I don't even see Courtney. I don't even see Courtney. Realistic share price. Are you trying to frame me? Are you trying to frame me with this realistic share price talk? No, I will not. The actual Kia Forte might, but I will not. You had to show him. I didn't see it. That's my bad. What's up, Clay, bro? What's up, SNR? Guys, somebody explain this to me, because this is like, this is going to be related to AMC, yes, but I'm sure all of you are on Reddit, right? Somebody explain to me the benefit that somebody gets. Because trust me, these aren't my bots that are out on YouTube channels and out on Reddit or anything like that. They're not my bots. I don't even know how to make a bot. Somebody explain to me who benefits from, like, you know, talking down about my channel and sending bots on Reddit posts. Because I feel like, yeah, people come check out the videos. They come check out the videos with a prejudice. But how would they even benefit, though? Like, because clearly people dislike it. I don't think anybody's actually being fooled by it. I think it just really... It causes a lot of animosity towards my videos. Hedges need a wedgie. And I can't understand how the hedge funds would benefit from it. I don't see how I would benefit from it. I don't see how, like... It's just very difficult for me to understand that play. I was trying to do it all day today, man, because I know a lot of these people, they don't even watch my videos or they don't even watch a live stream or anything like that. But, man, be afraid to meet up with one of those guys. Apparently I've got a really punchable face. Scares me. Where's your wrench? Do I owe you a wrench? We love Clay, bro. Thank you, Daniel. No, but not financially. Man, I swear I missed so many comments, and this dude's lit up blue. Once AMC, hey, listen, they got a long way to go to be debt-free, but they've got a very good chance. I mean, they're already the #1 movie theater chain out there, but they've got a very good chance. What's up, Tay? How you doing? What's up with AMC? How long is it going to keep dipping? Nobody knows, Angelo, how long it's going to keep dipping, but like we were saying before, keep an eye on those support levels, right? How many synthetic shares do I think there are, considering how many retail? Look, Derek, I don't know. You're talking about synthetics. Did you watch the video I did yesterday? Are you talking about like synthetic options, or are you talking about the phantom shares and like the naked shorts and stuff like that? Personally, I hope there's not a ton of naked shorts out there. I mean, people are going to get in a lot of trouble for that, right? But yeah, I think those are the ones that you really have to be concerned about. But it seems to me like everything that I was reading and everything being documented with phantom shares, like they literally get held with the broker as a fail to receive and as a fail to deliver. So, you know, that stuff's documented. Then the SEC and SEC, NSCC, DTC, all those acronyms, they go in there and, you know, and then they have to determine, was this intentional? Was this human error? Have they been resolved by now? All of that stuff. So it's like, guys, if there are a ton of naked shorts out there creating phantom shares, I mean, they're going to get caught doing that. It's not like the SEC is going to turn a blind eye to it. So I'm hoping there's not a ton. I don't want to see. I don't know, man. I hope there's not a ton, but obviously there's the possibility that there's a ton out there. But that's just the thing. It's not a number that I could come across or that anybody could come across, right? Human error. Well, yeah. When I say human error, I mean like legitimate error, right? What's up, Luca? 3 million holders with an average of 200 shares. Yeah, dude, but a lot of people have more than 200. A lot of people have less than 200, right? 3 billion shares. 3 million. No, 3 million with 10 shares each. Did you say 100? I don't even know what you said now. Money runs everything, you know. Evan, how's that? How was it even negative? Man, here's my thing, guys. 800 plus. Nice, Tyrant. I feel like a lot of you guys are really sensitive, especially you Reddit dwellers. I feel like a lot of you guys are very sensitive. I can say something that's not negative, but somehow you make it negative. Hoping for 3 billion shares. Hey, listen, if there are actually 3 billion shares out there, including phantom shares, yeah, that's a pretty terrible case scenario for the hedge funds, right? Matt, you were kind of sensitive when you first came here, though, man. You know you were kind of sensitive when you first came here, but you actually stuck around, and you're a different breed, dude. You can see both sides, you can chill, and you can have a discussion. I feel like some of these other people really just jump quick, man. Discord dweller, I need a Discord, guys. I need a Discord. Take that back. Everybody's on Reddit now. Oh, Chris, I'm sorry, man. Zeusy, I'm sorry. Everybody that's sensitive and wants me to take it back, I'm so sorry. Just not get roasted. Oh, man. Yeah, well, I'm glad you stayed, Matt. I'm glad you stayed. And for everybody that just felt too sensitive, I'm glad you're still here. Don't click the dislike button. Click the like button. Some hedges sold their long positions yesterday to cover their loss. Patrick, possible, man. If they did, I didn't even know. Pansies. Clay Brony, Discord. Guys, what are you even doing in Discord? I'm not a part of any Discords. I don't even know. Like, people say get a Discord, but I don't even know what I would do. Anyone see? Dude, it's great, man. Like when your dad sends you, oh, look at these guys ripping you on Reddit. Look at these guys ripping you on Weeble. Look at these guys ripping you on YouTube. Again. Trade calls. Do something with calls and puts. Forecast for AMC tomorrow. Tomorrow is the earnings date, right? It's honestly, in my opinion, it's probably going to fall into the earnings report. If I had to predict what's going to happen tomorrow, I would say it's probably going to fall into the earnings report. I wouldn't say it's going to fall big, but people always try to get out before earnings. You think the exact opposite. Yeah, well, good. Basically what we do on... Man, I swear, I miss so much. Are synthetic shares the same as naked shares? Drama Cave, let's talk about that real quick because that's what we talked about in the video last night. Synthetic shares, I think people are using the same name for both. A synthetic share, on like an actual synthetic share, is like a share that you would create, or a derivative that you would create to track an actual share of the stock. So a lot of people do that by buying a call option and selling a put option at the exact same strike and expiration. This wouldn't be something that would need to be covered during a short squeeze or something like that. But if you want to talk about the synthetic shares that people are really worried about when it comes to the number of shares, the technical term for that would be like a phantom share, okay, or the naked short. And naked shorting comes when one of the hedge funds just goes out and strictly sells a share, never has that share on borrow, never intends to borrow it, but goes ahead and sells that share. Now, those are listed as failed to receive from the buyer and failed to deliver from the seller. Those are kept on record with the NSCC and the DTC as failed to receive and failed to deliver, as well as on record with your broker. So they do know what is out there, and they do know how many shares actually need to be delivered still. Tainted. Gosh. Yeah, see, it's something that is kept record of. I don't know the number of failed to delivers and failed to receives out there. Only thing you regret, yeah, dude, listen, if you guys can average down, I don't know how much of your portfolio is in AMC or anything like that, still, if I'm going to tell you to do something smart, make sure that you stay diversified. Don't put all of your eggs in one basket and all that stuff. We know that the hedge funds can play dirty, that they can drag it out, and they can no doubt manipulate the price, right? So don't put all of your eggs in one basket. But dude, if you could buy the dip, if you could just snag a share, like if it drops to 9 and you're like, oh, I got an extra $10, you want to snag a share. If it drops to 5, you're like, oh, I want to snag 2 shares. You snag 2 more shares. Whatever you're comfortable with, man, the more people that buy and hold these shares, the better it's going to do in the long run for people expecting this squeeze, right? Now, not one basket, go to Doge. Yeah, man, if you want to throw some in Doge, listen, that's all I'm saying, man. If you want to do it, it's a good way. And you don't, my goodness, you don't have to go out there and buy 100 shares at a time either. There's a lot of us out there. Man, 1 share. Nobody's going to, at least in my opinion, I don't know. I'm not going to miss $10, but if you want to add a share today, if you want to add a share tomorrow, man, it'll accumulate quick. And, you don't need to sit on 1,000 shares to make out good during the squeeze. I fixed Clay, bro. He looks like a mechanic now with that little wrench next to his name. Oh, is that what somebody was asking? Where's my wrench? Maybe that's what they were asking. Goodness. Olden just started, need to make up time. Ray, you got plenty of time, man. 36,000 shares, and you think Fruit Bowl? Yeah, you fine. You don't even need to average down if you don't want to. I think you're good. I think you're good, right? AMC's a one-time event, maxing out, dude. As much as like. That's it. Buy it, make as much money as possible during the squeeze, and then reinvest it later. Be a little more conservative later if you need to be. Actually, do run a mechanic shop though. Nice, Matt. Nice. If you drive a Kia, Matt doesn't like Kia Fortes because nobody ever brings a Kia Forte into the mechanic shop, so he doesn't ever get to fix one because they never break. There you go. Kia, sponsor this video. I feel like all the shout-outs that Kia gets, they should sponsor this video in some way. Matt goes, what? It's true, Matt. You know it. You've never even had to fix a Kia Forte because they never break. Good cars. Should I promote Kia like that? I don't even know. I've never had a problem with mine, but whatever. Angelo, saved a lot of overtime. What? Saved up a lot. Sell tires, too. Oh, good. I need tires. I do need that. Riding Goodyears. Where's Nick? Where's Nick F at? Gotta ride those Goodyears. AMC, mother of all squeezes. Guys, that's what we're hoping for, right? That's what we're hoping for. Here's the thing that I don't like to see. I don't like to see a lot of these, new kids coming in. I swear they gotta be between like 14 and 19 years old. But I don't like to see a lot of these new kids coming in expecting it to happen tomorrow, right? Or if then you're like, well, it didn't have, like, I think they get a lot of unrealistic expectations in the fact that this is just something that's going to be so easy and so guaranteed that it's like, guys, come on. I know there's a lot of hype out there on Reddit and everywhere, but please, somebody, can't wait for the financial squeeze. Finally have Luca. That's what I want for every single person, all 111 of you. Honestly, dude, the haters out there, I want it for them too, okay? The people that smash my name on Reddit and everything, I still want financial freedom for them. I probably won't spend as much time, trying to worry about them, but I want every single person in here. 2 guys left. They don't want financial freedom. I want all 109 people in here to have financial freedom following this squeeze, okay? Don't go out, however many shares you have, right? Let it set you up. Don't go out, if you walk away with $500,000 after the squeeze, don't go out and blow it on a Lambo, right? Set yourself up. That is the ultimate goal, okay? That is the ultimate goal, is the financial freedom. It's going to make you so much happier than any Lamborghini will. Because trust me, guys, you can be happy with that Forte. It's gonna be game changing, life changing. So absolutely, Luca. Should you transfer your AMC to what? To what? Oh no, we got a spammer, Sammer. Thanks for the A's. Is that like an A+ for my grade here? Reinvest that Luca. Reinvest that $500K and make you. Dude, even if you're conservative and it pays you 10% interest a year and it's paying you $50,000 a year to find yourself and what you're passionate about and allows you to do what you want to do in life, dude, come on. Spammers have no chance. Matt's on it. I love it. Have you done day trading? Yeah, look, you can do day trading. I don't necessarily recommend day trading just because you got to really be on your game. I'd prefer swing trading to just long-term investments. But this squeeze is turning into a nice long-term investment, right? It's been around for several months now, but it's going to be a very good thing. Daniel day trades. All right, cool. It's great advice. It can be life. Absolutely, Victoria, man. Sorry, Victoria, man. Doesn't make sense. But absolutely, Victoria. It can, if you use it right, it can be life-changing money, no problem. Not if I invest in Apple, Google, Coca-Cola, not a financial. Okay, listen, just big blanket statement. Nobody here is an actual financial advisor. And if you are, don't hold yourself out to be one, because there's crazy people out there. No, Christian, I don't think the squeeze is going to happen in the next 5 days. Unless something absurdly impossible happens tomorrow at the earnings event or the earnings release, which won't, guys. Hopefully everybody out here is expecting a negative net profit or a negative bottom line at the earnings release tomorrow. I think the best we can hope for is to beat the negative expectations. But there's no way AMC turned a profit in the first quarter. Theaters didn't even open up until like March 19th, and revenue is extremely down. So I know there was a lot of fake news rolling around with that earnings number yesterday. But no, like don't expect earnings to be positive tomorrow. So in that case, if it was like if something impossible happened, I think that might trigger something because a lot of people would be very confused and buying on that confusion. But no, I don't think that. I don't think you're gonna have to worry over the next 3 to 5 days if you want to transfer. Just got a bonus this past week, looking to invest, and it feels like a great opportunity. Aurora, are you talking about just in general or like a decent time to buy in? If you're looking to buy in AMC right now, we are at a level of support, okay? So keep that in mind. If you start to see us bounce off, might be a great time to get in. If we fall through, okay, if we fall through this level around $9 per share, look at the next level of support. I think it was like 560, did I say? Yeah, roughly in like the 550 to 560 range. But, that's if we fall through. Never sell at support levels. Yeah, I wouldn't sell at a support level. I would consider buying at a support level, especially if you see it bounce. Which is support. Yeah. Oh, I did just close. Wow. All right, cool. Yeah, right at 916, and we're sitting right there at that level of support. So, if you're looking to buy, just see what happens at this level here. If we bounce off, perfect. If we fall through, you might want to sit a minute and see which direction it's going to go, because we got some more support sitting down in the, decent support. We get a little bit of support probably at the 775 range, but it's not as much as the 550 range. We're gonna make so much money. King, man, I don't think we're gonna be forced to take payments. No, because I don't think it's gonna get to the ridiculous prices that are, it's gonna cause the DTCC to dig into the $60 trillion insurance and all that kind of stuff. So I don't think it's gonna be that case. But I don't think we're gonna have to take payments. Nice, Luca. Nice. Hey, good. If we break through that, I definitely think we're going to see the 8s, man. If we break through that support, I think it will fall into the 8s. But that's just me, guys. Clearly, the market can do whatever it wants. 913, you got a level of support at 913? Yeah, dude, it's right in there. Right in there. I'm looking at the line on there right now. What does level of support mean? Level of support means when it goes down, we can very well see it bounce off that level. Did from a stash account to Weeble, hoping nothing. Nah, Austin, I think you're gonna be good, man. I think you're gonna be good. Geez, you invest? But nope, never invested $1 in my life. Aaron, sorry. Do you? I was actually wondering what it means, Clay. Oh, well, hey, look, if you're actually wondering what a level of support means, look, you can tell on a graph, right? If you see, think of support like a floor. Right? A lot of people are talking about floors these days. And think of resistance like a ceiling. There's just this level that it's very hard to fall down through, and a level that it's very hard to cross above. Whether it's psychological, like a $10 mark or a dollar mark for Doge or something like that, or it's more of a technical analysis that you can look at it that way. Like, it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with the fundamentals of the company, but for some reason, it just can't beat that level, or it won't fall down through that level. And those become levels of support and resistance on a technical analysis standpoint. So basically, when they refer to it as a whale, a whale would be somebody who owns a ton of the investment. A Dogecoin whale would be, bro, you even invest? Let's go, King. A whale would be somebody who owns a million Dogecoin, or a billion Dogecoin, like a million Bitcoin or something ridiculous. A very big holder. Think about the whales, like the guys that go in Vegas and they gamble and they spend millions of dollars in a night. Yeah. Those are the whales. Leave AMC, buy Winkcoin. No, don't do that. What up, bro? Got 25 more shares today. Nice, Ricky. Hitting that discount up. I like it. Winkcoin, 10x on May 30th. This guy must be a financial advisor. Bro, what does a chart mean? Chart? It depends. We're talking about medical chart here? Are we talking about the stock chart? See Claiborne's videos on all things charts. Yeah. Guys, why do people rip me for not putting a chart on my screen? Have you never seen one before? You can't picture a chart when I'm talking? I don't get it. If you sold that many Dogecoin, hopefully you sold it, today when it was 69 cents. That would have been very nice. I'm too old. Me too. Visited Wales a few times. Does that count? That does count. Yes. That does count. Are you from England, or you just went out there? You're entertaining without charts. Hey, thank you. Some people really hate the fact that I never show a chart on here. Yeah, I could just show you a chart here, if you want. I think it's just weird. Actually, 9, good. Squeeze when? Soon. All right, tomorrow. Tomorrow's the squeeze. Isn't that what everybody says? It's always tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Purple coin to the moon. Everybody's into these coins that I've never heard of. Yeah. What do I think about the ruling on Friday? Is it actually going to be a ruling, or is it just going to be a recommendation? Because I was reading that stuff. Create a crypto clay coin sounds sick. What about the bro coin? I thought about a bro coin. Clay coin, bro coin. Oh, no. What I thought of, I was gonna create a token, right? And it was gonna be the bro token. I was gonna call it the broken. I already thought about that. All this hype surrounding all these coins out there that are going on right now, and Safe Moon and all the Eclipse and all that other stuff. The Clay token, yeah, man, I was gonna go for the broken, exactly. There's an Elongate coin. Dude, there's a coin for everything, man. 30,000 Dogecoin first skyrocketed 500%. Nice, Tay. Nice. Clay coin sounds trustful. Yeah. Dude, you know how much like hate there'd be on Reddit talking about a coin if I made a coin? God. It would probably get so much hype just from the people being like, don't go buy the broken. Don't go buy Clay coin. And then people be like, oh my God, I gotta go buy Clay coin because people said not to. Yeah, I think we should start it early, and like all the people that show up to the live stream can get in early, and then all these Reddit haters, like they're gonna be like, don't go buy Clay coin, and then they'll all go buy Clay coin. It'd be great for us, right? How do I know when to sell when I have 36,000 shares? When you feel like you'll never have to work again. So, I mean, that could probably be right. Like right now, right? 36,000 shares. You're going to be very... Fruit Bowl, you're going to be set up very nice on 36,000. 600 more shares to the moon, baby. Nice. Chaos. Let's go. The longer you hold, the bigger your stock will multiply. Absolutely. Too big for me? I don't know. 3 million holders, but AMC doesn't move up. Wonder why. Because we don't have more buyers coming in. I don't know. We got 25 million shares being traded today. We need to get some more people on board. Then it crashes. Guys, it will crash after the squeeze. I hope, if you're talking about AMC, it will crash after the squeeze. Trust me. Strongly believe we'll see 1 to 5K. Luca, it's gonna be so sick, man. It's gonna be so sick. Everyone's dead. I know we had 3. But think about it. 3 million is like 1% of the U.S. Guys. Don't you have a brother? Don't you have a sister? Like, you got a friend? Tell them. It's 1% of the U.S. and not everybody holding is in the U.S. So there's still a lot of people that haven't caught on yet. Think about that. 3 million holders, but there's 7 billion people out there. So, come on. What are you guys doing? 10K to 17K? That's a stretch, Joey. That's a stretch. Just mod for Clay, bro. M. James, keep showing up, man. Keep showing up. AMC is all my cash. Nice. So many people buying shares, but what keeps dipping? What's up with that? Oh, look, Angelo, so many people buying shares. Yeah, but we still had 25 million shares traded today. So that means that for everybody that bought a share, somebody was selling that share too. So it's difficult. You know, if we see a ton of buy orders come in, like if you see 25 million shares willing to be traded today, but all of a sudden you got buy orders coming in for 50 million or 100 million shares, then the price has to go up. Right now, you know, we're holding, but there are people out there willing to day trade, willing to swing trade. So the shares keep changing hands. We need to get more people to buy. The demand needs to go up. 3K shares before it happens. I got 1.9 so far. Nice, Luca. And imagine, man. Imagine 1,000 just at the level you're talking. That's $3 million. My gosh. Hold on, my Clay, bro. Too old for you, right, Sammers? Clay, I swear, mother, you don't work for Citadel. No, I don't work for Citadel, guys. And look, I know people... I read the comments. I don't know where I saw it. If it was on Reddit or if it was on one of my YouTube videos. But look... This is like my room. It's not a waiting room. It's my living room. It's not a waiting room in Citadel's lobby or whatever you guys are saying. My hands are not bound. I'm not tied up. Citadel Cleaning Company. Yeah, that's what I work for. Is it safe? It is safe, Bay Area. If you want to transfer, use the link in the description below for Webull. It is going to be a very good idea because you're going to get some free stocks. Helps everybody out, right? Good. Sammer is much easier to say than paranoia. Sammer's much easier to say. I'm going to stick with that. Clayburgh is secretly a millionaire already. We will never discuss how many shares. You will never be asked how many shares you own or how many shares you intend to own or how much money you have in your bank account. But everyone is welcome here. If I have 720 stocks, how much do you think it's going to be worth at the end of the year? Enrique, Dude, I hope that, listen, by the end of the year, here's the thing. By the end of the year, I hope AMC is back down to $10 a share. I hope the squeeze happens much before that. So, yeah, don't base something like on you holding AMC through the end of the year or you holding AMC through next year or anything like that. Dude, I hope that it happens before the end of the year is up. Samurais. Now I get it, Sammer. Now I get it. Gosh. Yeah, dude. Take advantage, full advantage of the squeeze, and don't worry about the end of the year values, right? Never go back to old lows. Look at GameStop. Never say never, big dog. Never say never. You hope it doesn't go back down to lows, right? But I mean, think about it. If we look at GameStop as an example, 17 to 7, even if it 10x's and sticks at that level around 10x, I mean, you're talking 100. Don't ride the squeeze up to $1,000 a share and then ride it all the way back down to 100. Don't do that. I mean, if that's the worst case scenario, okay, you're still doing excellent. You know, you have AMC at $100 a share. But if you can help it, don't do that. What? Austin, sorry if I missed it, man. Sorry if I missed it. The CEO of AMC said that there was 3 million individual shareholders of AMC. So that's where that number came from. Hopefully he knows how many individual shareholders there are of AMC. So, I mean, he would know that, right? They got all the shareholders on record and then all of the proxy shareholders through the shareholders on record. So it's pretty easy to figure that number out. Probably more. I don't know. I would say that number is pretty reliable. Okay, well, he said over 3 million. If he says over 3 million, I don't think there's 30 million, but thanks. Absolutely, Michael. Absolutely. Can you imagine selling 1 million shares? No, I can't, man. I can't imagine selling $1 billion worth of AMC. That'd be nuts. Sick of charts. Good, not your business, and you're in the right place. You're not going to see any charts here. Claybroy answering more questions. Let's go. Sam, not the... What? No, that number's way off. Which number's way off? Which number's way off? The 3 million? Came from Adam Aaron himself. That's hard to say. Pretty sure when it could possibly squeeze using paper hands will ruin the true strike price. What do you think the true strike price is? Because if you're thinking 100,000, yes, I think the paper hands are going to ruin that. But if you're thinking, 1,000 or something, I don't think that the paper hands are going to ruin that. Ron, much easier, absolutely. You need to add many more to that. Just people who are just coming in and didn't vote. Yeah, but I don't think he was getting that number. I don't think he was getting that number just from the people that voted. I think that he was looking at all of the proxy votes that went out and all of that. I don't think it's necessarily the votes that just came back in. Do the math. Oh, man. You guys, put commas. If you're going to do these, put commas in your numbers. You got to put commas in your numbers. If you said 3 million times 200 shares each, I don't know who's got the average 200 shares each. It says, bro, yeah. No comments here. Yeah, put the comments in so I can read these numbers when they go by so fast. That was for them, and more people bought in 3 times 7. Not 100% sure that I followed that. Very sorry, Tasha. I don't know. Listen, I'm just using that number that he tweeted out, right? That's all I know. You get paid Bitcoin? I wish I got paid in Bitcoin, right? And yeah, just to let you know, if you are a hedge fund out there and you are willing to pay me in Bitcoin to continue doing exactly what I'm doing, I will accept, Bitcoin, full Bitcoin payments. I don't accept partial Bitcoin payments. So if you want to pay me in full Bitcoins to continue to do what I'm doing, I would very much appreciate that. I should put a Bitcoin wallet in the description below. But it's like winning the lottery. Luca, isn't it though? Isn't it? If I make 100,000, how much? Dude, I don't know. You got to look at your overall income, man. I don't know how much money you make. If it actually hit 100,000, we would never see the money. Who would pay us? Sam. One of the reasons I don't think it will hit 100,000, please don't cry after saying that. Joey, good job, man. Good job, Joey. Good job. Thank you very much. The super stickers, guys, for some reason I have to imitate the super stickers. And Joey, thank you very much. Thank you. You definitely couldn't have that number in cash. Not that much cash exists in the world. So that might be a number in your bank account, but don't expect that number in cash to ever be given to you. When I hit AMC, 65,000 after taxes. Hey, it still sounds good to me, man. Still, $65,000 still sounds good to me, right? Safe Moon it's unsafe Moon. Safe Moon is unsafe Moon, okay? So you can make money on Safe Moon, right? You can make money on anything, but it's unsafe. Don't consider it a safe investment. Don't consider it an investment. Consider it a trade. Because I wouldn't consider that an investment. Max 65. Sorry, max 35K tax. Gosh, man. $35,000 in taxes on 100,000. People start talking about like all the FUD that I spread, and then when you start thinking about taxes, that's bad news. That's bad news. Would you consider individual shareholders to be the... Michael, I don't exactly know if he meant individual shareholders, like including institutions. I would say the majority would be retail investors, absolutely. But that might include, like, Wanda and all the shares that they own, or some other institution that owns 1 million shares of AMC, something like that. But, those numbers aren't going to be big numbers. Taxes will pay for your debt. Dude, we need to find a country that doesn't have taxes, right? And then we just all need to move there afterwards and create our own Planet of the Apes, right? That's right, Tay. Did not see what Tay said, but it sounds like it is right. 63% net money better than 0% of no money every day of the week, Vu. Every day of the week. Spain, man, if we can confirm this, we'll just learn a little Spanish and we'll go from there. You only have $8. Help me. All right. Buy in on the way down. If we hit $8, buy in. Bring you back up. Can't wait to pay your taxes. Oh, God. You guys are very weird, man. You guys are very... Can't wait to pay your taxes. Oh, boy. Robinhood wouldn't execute my Dogecoin sell. Dude, I was seeing that yesterday. I don't know who's... Did somebody send me that, or did I see... Did I see that on Reddit somewhere? I forgot. Robinhood was just down again when Dogecoin was spiking to 60 cents yesterday. Help me. All right, we'll bring the price down for you. I'll talk to my captors here at Citadel. I'll tell them to bring the price down for you a little bit, and then we'll bring it back up afterwards. Get it down to $8, okay? But you better get in right away because we're bouncing right back up. So, no, I don't think so. Use the market sell. Mexico, here I come. Let's go, Lou. Let's go. Vlad is finished. Finish him. Puerto Rico. And now everybody's naming countries that potentially don't have high tax rates. I like it. Luca. Here's the thing with that, man. That's got to hurt. It has to hurt. But one of the worst things that you can do as an investor or as a trader is, worry about what you missed out on, or if you just would have left it on the table and stuff like that. Dude, that'll kill you. I mean, if you sit there and you worry and you stress about what could have been in your trade, oh, man, it's just, that makes it so tough. You got to get over that sentiment. Obviously, that hurts to know that if you took out at Doge at 5 cents or whatever, even 7 cents before it spiked up to, what did it go to that first day, like 20? Whew. That's tough. Yeah. But, dude, you still did great. You still did great on it, and that's the way you got to look at it. If there's no prediction, what does your gut tell you? My gut tells me that it's definitely going to happen this year. Other than that, I can't say next month or anything like that. Yeah, you can't fault yourself on that hindsight, man. 5 cents looked like a super tough level to break through for a long time there. Yeah, exactly, Lou. I think we've all got our own sob stories surrounding Dogecoin on when we could have gotten in, or when we thought about getting in, and when we actually got in, or when we got out and took our profits and should have stayed in, right? AMC 2 to 5,000 realistically very difficult in my opinion at that range. I know a lot of people are going to disagree. I believe that's a realistic difficult level to reach. So volume is extremely low on AMC and GameStop. These stocks are getting ready for the test flight. Dude, the volume is so low. 25 million on AMC today. That's extremely low. Meet Wyatt, let's go. Clay Bronis, Hands Down Clothing Co. in hope. I saw an article the other day that said rental cars in Hawaii are $750 a day right now. So we're going to be calling Ubers or buying a car. What's up, samurais? Well, it would be like the year after, man. That would be your gains for that year. So if you squeezes this year and you make your gains, you're paying your taxes in next year. You want a yacht? Yeah, dude. We're not going to be renting a car. We're going to be buying it. 500 is the start. 500 is the start of the squeeze. Is that what we're talking about? You sell, pay up. Those jumped to 70 this morning. Yeah, dude, I saw it. Tay, I saw it jump to 70, all the way back down to 50. I don't know what it's at right now. Hopefully it's back above 60 cents right now. Parents are there. Are they in Hawaii right now? Dude, I hope they bought a car. Don't rent a car for $700 a day. Just go buy one. I'm sure some dude's selling a Kia Forte in Hawaii, right? You made it, Clay. Definitely be glad to pay taxes on all your offshore accounts. There you go, Tasha. I love it. Don't pay all your taxes at once. Flip them into a few offshore accounts here and there. 59 Doge. Come on, man. Break 60 again. Wearing AMC merch once it squeezes. Then, yeah, people are going to know. People are going to be like, yeah, this dude. You're going to have people coming up to you at gas stations and being like, hey, I know you're driving a Kia, but could you spare some change? I saw that you were wearing an AMC shirt, and I know you participated in that squeeze. So, can you give me like $300 or $400? Yeah, Sean. I think that's the exact article that I was reading. There you go. AMC stuff. Dude, you get that way sometimes. Not your business. It happens. Especially when you're talking a lot. What's my tag going to say? Oh, jeez. I don't even know. AMC, bro? That would be a good one. That would be a very good one. AMC peak higher than GME? Yeah, I think it could. I know there's a lot more focus on AMC right now than there was on GME when GME squoze. Is squoze a word? I didn't even look that up. I should be in the WWE? Oh, no. Please no. What DMND, bro? What is DM? Is demand? Is it just demand, bro? Is that what we're talking about? Or just DMND like an acronym? Reached on AMC and it was all I got was this lousy shirt. I like it. The rest is reinvested in a nice account, and we're living the rest of our lives worry-free. Diamond. God, dude. That's the kind of stuff that Diamond. Dude, now look at me. I'm in front of everybody on here, and I'm like, demand, bro? What is DMND? What does DMND stand for? Gosh. Dude, at that point, can't I just buy, like, an emoji on my license plate? When are they going to start putting emojis on license plates? I think they should. Like, after this squeeze, they should just start making emoji license plates. And then we can actually have Diamond Hand Bro. Squozing by Clay Bros. And why doesn't this stuff catch on? Why doesn't anybody say this stuff in Reddit? It's always like, man, Clay Bros is shill. Squozing by Clay Bros. And that would catch on. Is Crown here? Oh, Crown always makes me nervous when he comes in. I should sit with better posture, but then my face is cut off. I should lift this ring light a little bit. If I make a shirt, Diamond Hand Bro, is that what that was? We all buy it? Guys, we need to buy bro shirts. We need something. Moving on here. You make everyone afraid. Oh, you certainly make me afraid, Crom. You certainly make me afraid. Sure means you're going rogue. God, now, this is the kind of stuff. Be real. This is the kind of stuff they post on Reddit. He's wearing a rogue shirt. That means he's gone rogue. He's no longer one of us, boys. He's flipped. He's been bought. His shirt said it all. You made it, Clay. Yeah, now I know who's spreading all these rumors on Reddit. It's Be Real. It's Be Real. He's the one. His shirt says it all. There's a message in that shirt somewhere. And I know that he went rogue. He's no longer one of the boys. No longer one of the apes. He's flipped. Clay's the real deal, Plato. Yeah. I see where you guys come up with this stuff. What is good news and bad news for AMC? The bad news is that it's down a little bit today. The good news is that it is going to go a lot higher. Back to water. I don't know how else to tell you. You're my boy, Clay. You're my boy, Be Real. You're my boy. Ethereum Classic's up 30% today? Hey, is anybody riding Ethereum up to, is it 3,300 still, or is it higher? What'll Tasha say? You got so sick already you quit looking? Tasha, I try to quit looking, and then my dad always sends me, did you see what they're saying about you on Reddit today? And I'm like, you gonna make me cry again, Dad? Like, is that what you want to do here? Just bring me to tears all morning? Well, I have to let you know what's going on. Oh, thanks, Dad. I appreciate that, man. I do. See 10,000. Dude, if we hit 10,000, oh, it's over if we hit 10,000. Breathe. 34.50. Is it really, Austin? My gosh. Let me ask you. Ask me, big dog. Reddit is not the same. It changed since January. There's a lot of mean people on Reddit. Forgot a zero. Matt, I'll cry if it hits 100. I'll cry if it hits 100. I really will. I'll cry if it hits 100. I will cry on live for everyone to see. Still keeping half that Doge. Team Classic will go into thousands like Ethereum. Hey, listen, there's nothing to say it won't. Fruit Bowl. Absolutely nothing to say it won't, guys. And you know, maybe we're not talking short term, but crypto is going to have a huge future. I know it will. There you go, Lou. That's a good plan. Is AMC going to be green tomorrow, Clay? Personally, I don't think so. I think it's going to sell off into the earnings report. So, sorry, June. Oh, man, I'm missing some comments, I know. Big dog, good question, man. Good question. I would probably say, I don't know, man, because personally, if I've got a different opinion than other people, I don't see a problem with expressing my opinion to them and they expressing it to me, and we can talk about why, and all that stuff. But I know there's a lot of people that watch specific channels that would never want to, you know, collaborate with other YouTube channels because they've got differing opinions. There's a lot of people that watch other channels, man, that would take very harshly to my opinion or my viewpoint that I consider realistic. They don't like that. So I think that would be one of the reasons. Oh, no, yeah, dude. I think we have the same opinion. We might have different price targets and stuff like that. Clearly, that, you know, I think we all want I don't know who doesn't want AMC to squeeze. I really don't know who doesn't want AMC to squeeze. If that's like the case, I don't know of them. But I don't know, man. Some people might be afraid to, like, well, you know, he's only got so many subscribers. What does he bring to the table? He's a bunch of hype. I don't know. That's my thought on that. But then again, you know, I think it's cool to have conversations with people and speak my mind, you speak your mind, whatever. I just think that it would be a lot of people in the comments like, whoa, man. Here's what I don't want to see happen ever. AMC coin next. Yeah, that one probably will come out. What do you guys think about this, dude? Because this thought has actually crossed my mind with all of the stuff I see on Reddit, like all these bots promoting my videos for no good reason. Dude, let's just say, and Matt, you're very strong on the opinion that it'll reach 100,000. So if it reaches, let's just say it does reach 1,000. You know, I use the number 1,000 a lot. Let's say it reaches 1,000, and that's as high as it goes. Obviously, a lot of people are still going to do very well at 1,000. But let's just say it does go to 1,000. Are people really going to think that, like, I caused the squeeze to stop at 1,000? Is that something that would be, like, a legitimate thought for some people? Yeah, Crom. I listen, man. I know some of the videos I've had is bearish tone or whatever, but no, I'm bullish on AMC, but I might just not be as bullish or unrealistically bullish as some people out there. It could be, Lou. It could be. I just don't want anybody to be like, well, it was Claybro's fault that AMC only squoze to 1,000 and not 100,000. You know, I just don't want people to be like, because that's the kind of stuff that these bots are saying about my channel. Throw in the towel. Claybro says throw in the towel at 100. You know, it's his fault. They are everywhere. It's just bizarre. Oh, big dog. I completely agree with that. Yeah, I think that only good things can come from that. 4 different banks. Scuba. 4 different banks. You're good. You're kidding. 10,000. John. Okay, say it goes to 10,000, man. There's still people out there that think it's going to 100,000. There's people that think it goes to 1,000,000. You know, let's say it goes to 100,000. I just don't want to be like, well, Claybro says it's going to this. He stopped the squeeze. Listen, they lose $1 trillion. They will cry tears, yes. What is really realistic? Michael, I use the 1,000 number a lot because I do believe that, you know, 1,000 would be a very nice squeeze. But realistically, just keep an eye on volume, man, when it does squeeze. You know, if you see billions of shares being traded, yeah, and it squeezes to 800 when billions of shares are being traded, just, you know, you might err on the side of caution and think that a lot of those short positions were covered during that. If we still got 25 million volume and it shoots to 800, dude, we're not even halfway there yet. You know, we still got so much more room to go. So it's going to come down to really what happens during the squeeze. If we skip past 1,000, we get hit on. We can't hit 100,000, guys, but just keep in mind. I think that, and I always say it too, and people don't like it, but people will be tempted to take those profits. You're talking about a lot of money. Price you set to sell also. Are you asking me? I don't have a set sale price. I'm going to be actively trading the squeeze. So I don't have a set sell price in. Hopefully I don't miss it, right? Taking a shower or something, it squeezes up to like $13,000 and drops back down. I'm like, you did all these videos on AMC and you missed it because you were taking a shower? Like, dude. What's your exit strategy? Woody, has a lot to do with what I was just saying. You know, I'm going to keep a very close eye on volume. If I see that volume is just ridiculously high, 500 million, 1 billion shares being traded, I'm going to assume that is shorts covering and that it's not, you know, FOMO buying. People just jumping in to try and jump in on the squeeze last minute. Yes, there will be a mixture of the two, but I'm going to err on the side of caution and think that. And if it starts to like get too volatile for me, if I start to get nervous, and no matter what the price is, right? If it jumps to 800 and it's getting that ridiculous, or if it jumps to 8,000 and we see the volume's ridiculous like that, I'm gonna don't call me paper hands, guys. I'm gonna trade the news that's out there, right? What, Big Dog, about doing a live stream? Hands down, yeah, I plan to, man. Unless like I tell you, like it's happening while I'm in the shower or something, then I'm gonna have to do a black screen broadcast. But yeah, we're definitely gonna be trading during the squeeze. So hopefully, it's something where we're not all sweating and worried about, and it spikes up to $1,200 really quick, and we've got Clapper hands. No, Martin, no. But yeah, if volume gets ridiculous like that, guys, it's very safe to say that the squeeze happened. And if it didn't, guess what? The price could drop back down, and then you can get back in once you see that the short numbers are just as high as they were before. So it's not like the end of the world if you take advantage of the information that's available to you, and then once more information becomes available, make your decision again. So maybe we found out that was all FOMO, and then at the end of the day, we see that short interest is still at 50% by the time the price drops back down. Well, you get back in, man. Hey, how was your day? Dom, my day was good. How was your day? Yeah, Friday could be a game changer. Listen, I was reading that earlier. Is that an actual rule change that will be implemented and enforced, or is that like a recommendation on how much money hedge funds should have available? No, 100K is Trump's fault. What? No. Yes, Michael. Don't know which question you asked, but think you're welcome. I don't know. What's FOMO? Fear of missing out. Late night. People see AMC's price going to $30, $40, $120. There will be traders who are trying to jump in and take advantage of that volatility because they don't want to miss the squeeze. So there will be other retail traders jumping in on that. Never going to work again. Lou, isn't this... That's what I like to hear. It's absolutely what I like to hear. Dude, nobody agrees with my videos either, but we may not see prices under $8 to $9 when the squeeze starts. Yeah, I don't really know when it's going to start or how high it's going to go during the squeeze, but chill on your couch with you, Ray. Ray needs somebody to chill with him on his couch. JT Wisco, yes, fear of missing out. 10K is your floor. Joey, I hope it hits 10K, man. I do. But if it doesn't, be vigilant. That's all I got to say. If it doesn't, don't expect to hold it all the way up to 10K. And then, if you see the stuff that I'm talking about, if it goes to 1,200, don't be afraid to be called a paper hand. You know what I mean? Please make as much money as possible. Oh, I'm Ray, bro. Good. All right, Ray. Big Dog is Ray? Is that what we got here? He's not showering. Patrick. Promise, I showered this morning. Oh my gosh. Is that a subscription? Is that a box? It's delivered what? Once a week? Ray Bro and Clay Bro, I love it. We got the aces, yes. Could it extend? Listen, if they don't have all the triggers come into place, and if they don't have everything that triggers a margin call, then they can hold it out as long as they want. They can sit on their losses as long as they want if nobody's going to margin call them. See these high prices possible? Ian, anything's possible, man. Anything's possible. It's just, think about it. If somebody said, well, Clay, I'm going to give you $100,000 for your Kia Forte, I'm going to be like, dang, $100,000 for my Kia Forte? Now, if I know that they have to continue offering me more, and nobody else in the world has a Kia Forte, shoot, man, I'm going to sit back and relax and just watch the bids roll in. But if I know that everybody on my street has a Kia Forte, and My neighbor is like, oh yeah, dude, I'll sell it to 100. What's this guy's problem? That's where it all comes into play, you know? If I was the only holder of AMC, if you were the only holder of AMC, price potential is unlimited. You know, and want to keep Forte. I'm using it as an example. Happy with your Toyota. Good, Lou. Good. Big dog. Oh, man, I'm going to hit you up. Big dog. I already, you said you wanted to do something on Friday, right? Well, yeah, Dom, stay realistic, you know, realistically hopeful. Thoughts on 3 million shareholders? Good. I want to see more. Good. I want to see 300 million shareholders. Dude, emails are, I agree, emails are slow, but I don't want to be passing on my phone number to everybody on, you know, YouTube, and I know it's not everybody, you're the only one that asked me for it, but I don't want to be passing on my phone number and then, like, having to worry about all that stuff. But no, dude, I will do, I really don't care to do a Skype call or however you do live streams, like side-by-side chat and all that stuff. Absolutely. If you want to do it on my channel, your channel, either one works for me. Yeah, guys, we don't need to be passing out, like, addresses and personal information and all that kind of stuff on the internet, especially when I know how many people hate me. Of course. No, bad idea. Why did he announce that today? I don't know why. Yeah, no, none of that. Just do Skype. Yeah, we could do like a Skype call or however you link it into YouTube to actually make it live. I'm cool with that. How much do I think it's costing the hedge funds every day? I don't know. You do the math. You know, they got what 100 million shares shorted at 20%. You can do it on Discord too. Well, dude, if you could do it on Discord, that'd probably be pretty easy because everybody wants me to do a Discord anyway. So what it is now, 137 million times the borrow rate. No, dude, listen, I'm not leaking anybody's info, and I would hope that nobody leaks my info or anything like that. I don't want any leakable info. Is Doge a distraction? No, I don't think Doge is a distraction. NBA. I think Doge is Doge has done well for me. So, source is some guy named Clay, bro. Don't tell anybody that on Reddit, right? Rent the Kia for 400,000. Nice, like it. What's up, player? What's up, Jose? Yeah, Doge is a different category, and Doge has done pretty well for a lot of people. So I think that people are happy with Doge. Yeah, but Big Dog's good, man. Big Dog's good. I'll collab with anybody that wants to collab with me. I mean, I really don't care. If it's just a conversation, hey, if the conversation doesn't go well, we don't have to collaborate again. If it does go well, we can do something. I mean, it's all good. Oh, yeah, dude, we're all going to Vegas anyway afterwards, so we're good. Love Doge. Lou loves Doge, too. Good. I have nothing bad to say about Doge. Yeah, I know Doge isn't, doesn't have a huge project like Ethereum, or it's not a Bitcoin, but no, I like Doge. I like anything that I can make money off of, so if I can make money on Doge, good. I'm going to make money on AMC, great. Like, it's not the only two plays in the world. Is SOS next? Man, it would be nice, wouldn't it, if we knew what was always next? Yeah, it can squeeze post-market, absolutely, but I don't think that... A lot of people ask that. I don't think that it's going to get the necessary volume for the squeeze to end post-market. You know what I mean? Like, in order for it to squeeze, like if the margin call comes into play, the shares have to be covered. They're not going to find, Be Real said 137 million shares. They're not going to find 137 million shares after market. So, that's not something that I would worry about. If it squeezes after market, it's going to open very nicely the next day. So, we're all going to be doing pretty good. It'll be nice. Be like, oh, wow, tomorrow's going to be a good day. Don't hurt your soul. Did you miss out? Did you miss out? Please don't miss out. Divinity. Diversify your portfolio, man. If you want to invest in that, if you want to check it out, I don't see a problem with that. But you know, a lot of people are going to say put 100% of your portfolio in AMC, which I don't think is necessarily what you need to do. Live stream from Ohio to Vegas to Honolulu, absolutely, and then to Miami and everywhere else we're jumping. AMC will show red if you bought it after January mini jump. Yeah, if you bought it after that, what, you're going to be showing red? But it will be green. You'll be sitting on a red portfolio for a little while, but when it squeezes, you'll be doing very well. 80% of your portfolio is in AMC. Not very diversified, but glad to see you're thinking about diversity. Like my watch. Thank you. Samsung Galaxy Watch. Just like the phone and the tablet and the computer and everything else Samsung around here. Yeah. When do you guys, I know everybody always asks me, when do I think it's going to squeeze? When do you think it's going to squeeze? Average down to 1043. Nice, Matt. Nice. You think it's going to squeeze on Sunday? Okay. Stream is fun, bro. Hey, Big Dog, I appreciate that, man. I know a lot of people in here. I don't know, man. There's a place for everything. I know that Andrew Mo Monies does a lot of analysis in his channel. There's a place for that, you know. Trey does a great job getting everybody hyped and really, you know, selling that energy. Awesome. People need that. And there's a place for everything. And I think that, I don't know. I enjoy this, man. End of the day, end of the trading day, kind of hanging out now, talking about AMC, talking about what can happen. I think it's a good kind of wind down and, you know, a good session to kind of bring us all back together and really, you know, stay focused on what we need to stay focused on. Why do most people prefer to diversify their portfolio? Because diversity lessens the risk. Obviously, it lessens the risk, lessens the reward, right? But diversity spreads your risk out amongst different industries, different sectors, different stocks, so you're not all in one basket, and if that one basket falls, you fall. 10K, pay up, let's go. They ain't built for this, Ebony. I don't know what they're not built for, but they ain't built for it. You're right, Lou. If the bots are on your side, something is wrong. I was thinking about that, guys. What if the bots are actually against me? Think about that. What if the bots are actually against me? What if the bots know something that we don't know, and they do know that these price points around 1,000 are legit? So if everybody does take their profit at 1,000, then they're going to be like, wow, we actually have to pay this. But the guys who are holding out for 100 and never sell at 1,000 and hold it back at $10 again, that was just money never realized. I wonder if that might be why the bots hate me. Because they know something we don't know. I don't know. Bots are double bluffing, man. I think they might be. Because I was wondering who has what to gain from these bots. It certainly ain't me. Yeah, it can happen, Joey. I was wondering about that. If they realize that they actually have to pay people. Huh. You guys love this community. Nice, Big Dog. I love this community too, man. It's great. Love the bots. I love the bots, but I love the bots because they always say, hey, go check out Claybro's channel. But I don't love the bots because they get a lot of people mad at me for some reason. What? Can I get my big brother Brandon Hampton on the line to answer the real question? You love Autobots. There you go. Forget the Decepticon. Oh, all those other guys are Decepticons. We love the Autobots. Case in point. Oh, man, I might have missed it. Man. Report is due tomorrow after the market closes. And you are right, Dom. Earnings report out tomorrow. Hoping for good news. A negative number, but better than expectations. Listen, Big Dog, I haven't watched the full one. I was on your channel scrolling around the other day, seeing like what kind of stuff you do, but I have not watched a full video. Cleveland has the best bots. Guys, my bots are like, I don't know, 65-year-old women with real estate license, professional photos that are like, follow Clay Bro. He's realistic and he knows that this will not squeeze past $100. All right, Martha. Okay. Clay, your nose is growing. It might be. All right. What did retail investors all agree to buy at one time? If anybody could coordinate that, they would probably get you for market manipulation, but that would be a very good thing. Check what out, Crom? Martha. Yeah, dude, I'm like, that's what I think of when I see these bots. And then everybody on Reddit hates me because they see these bots. Cougar bots. This is why people on Reddit need to come hang out for a minute. We get Cougar bots promoting Clay Bro, and I don't know why. What is Cougar bots doing in here? Clay, check that link out. All right, what did you do? I didn't see a link. Clay Broski. Yeah, we need some bro bots or something. Like, don't you think that they would make better bots? Like, I don't know, pictures of bros instead of Cougar bots. Like, come on. Waiting for the fem bots. I didn't see a link either. Yeah, I didn't see a link, Crom. Sorry. Clay Bronis. It'd be nice, right? It'd be nice. I think there's... Oh, it's not posting. Crom, you could probably just leave it in a comment on the live after the live stream, right? Because I'm not going to be able to click it during this live stream. The live stream's on my phone, and then it's like, I don't know if these comments all show up afterwards. What is an actual bro? It's like your brother, man. It's just, someone you get their back, I got your back, you got my back. We're all brothers. That's a bro. Who's got your back like your brother does? Can you squeeze heaven post-market? If so, what do? Then we celebrate. We have dinner that night, and we celebrate knowing that the next day is going to be an incredible day. That's what you do. Because they're not going to be able to cover all of their positions after hours. A sister. What's better than a brother? A sister. All right, Ebony. You get the point, though. You don't have to be, like, it's not a guy thing. It's just a, brother. Bros and bros. Yeah. Ebony's got me on that one. It's better than a brother or sister. All right. Maybe you get a point. But you could be a bro, too. What's the after hours, price target? I don't know. I think I'm going to... Piccolo. Are we talking Dragon Ball Z again? There you go, Amy. Been holding since January. You're holding until it happens. I like it. Do I think 500,000 is possible like they say? No. Don't hate me for saying that, but no. After hours. Yeah, Be Real knows his HBO. Buy more often. I like it, Alex. I like it. Man, you guys can really come up with a lot of stuff, dude. Like, think about it. If there was an actual merchandise thing with bro, buy more often, or like, I don't know, buy really often. Buy really often. Sorry. Buy really often. Yeah, dude. I think these are sweet slogans. This needs to be some stuff. This needs to get it out there. Oh, what's the after hours price? Hands down has us. That was my bad for not understanding that question. Hands down got us 912 after hours. Yes. Thank you, guys. Airplane with a banner saying, buy more AMC. Yes. Buy AMC often. Buy really often. Thank you, Tasha, for bringing up what AMC is doing in this AMC stream. I love when people keep us focused. What's up, big dog? Now I understand why you said Piccolo. Goodness gracious. When you miss one chat, guys, it's like, okay. But if you miss 10 chats, and the whole conversation gets away from you, it's difficult. Okay, because I thought I read buy more often, but you said buy really often, or buy real often, and I was like, dude, I completely screwed that up without even thinking about it. What's up, bro? What's up, Gregory? Buy the dip and let's sit. Yes. Buy the dip and let's sip on these bro bottles, these brodles. That's the strategy. Buy the dip and we sip. Well, we wouldn't happen to have the phone number of them cougar bots. No, I don't. That's my bad. I don't have the phone number for those. I was gonna say brobots, but they're not brobots. Yes, insert product promotion here. Yes, buy the dip and we sip. Bro bottle. Brought to you by Clay Bro. Dip and watch gains. Nice, dog. Corey, don't be scared. It's all good. Somebody should send out one of those test alerts when AMC starts to squeeze so that everybody is aware that it's happening. Everybody. We need like an emergency. It's anybody know anybody that works for the emergency alert system? AMC starts to squeeze, like everybody in the world gets notified. Thank you very much, Lucy. We are a good team. We are. 3K to 10K, maybe 15K. Dude, listen, I hope so. I think 3K is a lot more believable, a lot more realistic than those other ones. But, dude, if it goes to 15K... a part of me doesn't like to think about those numbers either because, like, that's guys, that's crazy money. That's like hedge fund money. This reminds me, I need to drink water. Lou, you do. Drink some water. Drink some water, Lou. Dog, dripping always with gains. Nice. Best channel person ever. Thank you, Ebony. Thank you. Really, though, you guys are the best people. I'm just, like, sitting here. You guys are the best people. I'm just sitting here talking. Driving always with gains is nice. I like these acronyms. Doge at 60. Yes, I love it when Doge passes 60. So you're saying 3K is very realistic. Franchise. I'm not saying 3K is very realistic. I think 1K is much more realistic than 3K. 3K being realistic. Here's why I would think that 3K is much more realistic than those other numbers. Because at 3,000, what is that price? 3,000 times the 450 million shares. Well, do that 3,000 times the 100 million shares. Is that 3 trillion? Anybody get a calculator? It's 3,000 times 100 million. Or is that 300 billion? I don't know. I think that it's probably in that range. I think that's realistic because that's not going to collapse the world financial system. When you're talking prices like 100K and stuff, and using all the DTCC's insurance and everything else out there, I mean, if you transfer $100 trillion to the shareholders of AMC, that's like disrupts the entire global financial system. And I don't think that the hedge funds are going to hold out that long. I don't think the people are going to be able to hold that long, and I don't think the hedge funds. I think the hedge funds will cover before that, but no, Tay, I just don't think that it's going to get to that point. I don't think that the hedge funds will hold out that long. I think they'll cover before that. Is it 300 bill? All right, sweet. Thanks, Lou. 300 bill, yeah. 300 billion. They got that to lose for sure. They got that to lose for sure. I don't think that's hard pressed to believe on that. Like those numbers. But some of the other numbers, dude. 20-minute live stream. Can you do that? I do a 20-minute live stream because you don't have to talk for like 2 minutes and then you give everybody else a chance. You're just chilling and listening. It would be, man. It would be very close. You get your like 2 minutes time card and then you get cut off. So you say your piece on 2 minutes and then it just moves on to the next guy. Can't even be a conversation with 20 people. That is the way, dog. That would be sweet. Boom, you go, and then that's it. On to the next one. 2K's, oh, yeah. I mean, look, if you're using that logic, 200 is much more possible than 2,000 as well. But, I think people are going to be able to hold off past 200. But hedge funds will cover much before they allow trillions and trillions and trillions of dollars to be put into our hands. They're not going to like that. When is the margin call? Who activates the margin call? Clay. Very good name, by the way. But nobody knows when the margin call is. But like all these regulators and lenders that lend money to the hedge funds and regulate the cash flow that these hedge funds have, they're the ones that can trigger the margin call. Technically, the hedge funds can do it themselves by going and covering short positions, but that wouldn't be a margin call. They wouldn't be forced to liquidate those positions. Franchise, did it shoot up to 1,700 back in the day? I was looking at a lot of graphs, and I think I was looking at graphs in euros. Not exactly sure what the price was. I thought it was more between like 800 to 1,000 that it shot up to, but if it was in euros and the euros trading at about a buck 60, then yeah, you could be right, especially if it hit 1,000. But you can't cover it at 950. Sure they could cover it at 950. Why not? Big difference with that one, though. You have to look at the previous price that Volkswagen was trading at. Volkswagen was trading around, I believe, 400 euros. If I remember the chart correctly that I was looking at, it was trading around 400 euros, dipped down to 200, and then shot up there. So it's, yeah, it had a high price prior to the squeeze, but dude, nobody was anticipating the squeeze in AMC or the squeeze in Volkswagen like they're anticipating the squeeze in AMC. Yeah, it was a different monster for sure. It was definitely different, and I think a lot of people, different scenario. Cybercat, absolutely not. No, I will not take back any of the naked shorting comments that I made. And I will not do that. But thank you for the super chat. I appreciate that. Only have 194 shares is better than 0. Yeah, 4, Edward. 4, I think you can have a conversation with 4 people. And then you can still stay big enough on the screen. 20 would be pretty difficult. Clay. What I like, Clay. Thank you. You have a cool name too, my man. Thank you very much, man. Thank you. Yeah, Carlos, if they cover now, maybe they're like, okay, guys, they're strategic traders, right? Yeah, they have an ego and everything, but they're still strategic traders. They have shorts out at $20.14 too. Yeah, let's do one more so I can go out and buy AMC. That would be nice of you. You can call me names if you want, guys. You can. It's like the hedge fund, man. You guys can pay me all day if you want to call me names. I don't care. I mean, you'll get blocked in the normal chat if you start to get a little bit ridiculous. But shoot, if you're gonna send a super chat just to speak your mind, does low volume mean more people are holding? Yeah, John. Low volume means more people are not trading the share, that they're holding on to it. So, lower volume just means that less people are out there buying and selling. So it's a very good indicator of diamond hands. High volume would mean that there are a lot of people out there trading. Holding till Jupiter. Matt, I know Matt's holding till Jupiter. I know he is. Matt's very dedicated on holding to some prices that I think might be very, very difficult to achieve. How many hedge funds are shorting AMC? Does anyone know? I do not know the number of hedge funds that are shorting AMC. I don't know, those B-Real was saying 137 million shares out there earlier. I don't know if how many hedge funds that's spread out between. Missed it, Cybercat. Missed it. On what you agree. At the end of the day, dude, at the end of the day, we all want the same thing. We want AMC to squeeze. I almost said AM squeeze. We want AMC to squeeze as much as possible so we can take as much money as possible. I don't think Clay is here to short. No, guys, I'm not shorting AMC. Everybody, Edward, everybody in here, slap that like button. Even if you're getting ready to leave, slap that like button. Let YouTube know that we're having a good time in here. Thank you very much, Corey. I appreciate that. I try to do my best. AM Squeeze, breaking news. Oh, some of the stuff that comes out of my mouth too, like AM Squeeze, it's just ridiculous. Thoughts on Robinhood, safe for the squeeze? Listen, I don't know about Robinhood anymore, man. I know they were having trouble with Doge yesterday just because Doge spiked up and Robinhood's got a history and all that. I personally think 1K is the max. We'll see, but hope for 2.5K. Absolutely. Dude, I personally think that 1,000 is really reliable. Thank you very much for the super chat franchise. 2,500, yes. Some of the other prices very difficult. But man, I hope for these Matt Perry numbers. You know, the numbers that he believes in, like the 100,000. I hope for those numbers, but I'm gonna be much more. I'm gonna be shocked, like if we reach that level. But yeah, it's still possible, right? You will find out, Cybercat. You will find. I'll tell you if I short AMC. Listen. I will short AMC, Cybercat. Thank you very much. I will short, and I'll put it on record right now. Okay, if we reach $100,000 per share price, sorry guys, if this makes you hate me, but I will short AMC at $100,000 a share. I'll do it. I'll do it. At least one share. I have to. I'm riding it all the way up. Yeah, I have to short one share. I will. Be real, no. Why short? Carlos, man, I said if it reaches $100,000 a share, I will short one share of AMC. All right, that's understandable. Good, Cybercat. That's my plan. I will short one share of AMC if it hits 100,000. Because there's still that chance that all the other people out there who are actually nuts will take it past 100,000. So I might be losing out a little bit. But, you know, I can still stand to make some money if it reaches 100,000. I'm going to do it for my birthday. I have no idea. Hopefully it's a nice day outside for my birthday at the end of the month. Wow. About to be on my drive home. Matt, we'll be ending here pretty soon anyway. We've been in here for over an hour and a half. I don't think I've drank as much water as normal out of my bro bottle, but because I'm not like squirming. If you guys like start to see me cross my legs and stuff, you know it's definitely time to go soon. But it's not like as bad as normal. You buy a put. There you go, Alex. There you go. That might be a better strategy. But now I'm obligated to short because I told Kat that we would be shorting a share. Buying a put at 100,000 that might be good financial advice. That is exactly right, Tay. That's exactly right. You're late. No! Marcia, don't be late. I'm glad you're here. Seja bem-vindo. I'm glad you're here. Hedge should just run her and squeeze Hab and get it over with. That's what I think too, Mark. If they would just get it over with now, I mean, we could go on with our summers and we would all be happy. I understand, Marcia. I understand. At least keep me in the headphones or something while you're there. It's good strategy. Or we could get in, my bro. I love it. Limit 70, 75, 750, and 7,500. Nice. Pay me now or pay me later. I can wait. I can wait too. Guys, who else can wait? Let me know before we get out of here. Who else can wait? I know a lot of people want to see it happen tomorrow, but who can wait till next week? Who can wait till the week after? I can wait. I can absolutely wait. Mark can wait. Yeah. That's the kind of stuff you need to see because I know a lot of people get all anxious. Like, this needs to happen tomorrow. But guys, I can wait. I can wait till Christmas. Yeah. It's a plan we sell on the way down. Poncho, we will be selling. You can wait. Fruit Bowl can wait. If Fruit Bowl can wait on what he's sitting on, yeah. Me too, Ebony. We're going to get out of here soon. I hope you have a great evening, Ebony. Thank you so much for coming, and thank you for always commenting on the videos. Tay can wait. Tay can wait till next year, man. Tay's got time. Who was that? Be Real? Be Real can wait. That'll be a good Christmas gift, right? Yeah, Yeah, what he said about Tupac, man. William can wait too, guys. We can all wait. I love it. Juan, thank you, bro. Yeah, Poncho, I grew up poor. I can wait. Dude, there ain't nothing. There ain't nothing that we can't wait on, right? Heck yeah, Luca. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Big Dog is back. We're getting ready to head out of here in a second, Big Dog. Been here an hour and 40 minutes. Holding, waiting, not your business. See, guys, this is the stuff that we need to see. Yeah, we don't want to wait, but if any hedge funds are out there or if any of those cougar bots are watching right now, we can wait, okay? Take that as a lesson. We're not the only ones, but we can wait. So know that. We're not going to get antsy. We're not going to get all worried. Love catching you live. Thank you, not your business. I really do appreciate that. And I rewind the video and watch them. Nice, Marcia. Nice. I love it. Thank you. No problem. No problem, Johnny. I don't exactly know what you were responding to. The longer we wait, bigger the squeeze, in my opinion. Yeah, dude, the longer we... And actually, if we wait during the squeeze, if you don't see huge volume rolling in during the squeeze, the longer you wait to click that sell button, absolutely the bigger the squeeze is going to be. Take it easy, Clay, bro. We can wait. I like it, Piccolo. All right, guys, look, you know the deal. We're at 116 likes, 118 people in here. We got to get those likes over the amount of people in here before we can finally take off. And I will be getting another video out. I always say, like, I want to get it out between the 6 and 7 o'clock hour, but I usually have it uploaded by, like, 7:30, and then YouTube takes forever to process the video. It's getting kind of ridiculous. It takes, like, an hour to clear it. I don't know why. Thoughts on Robinhood during the squeeze? I don't want to think about Robinhood during the squeeze. Good intro or good segue into, if you're thinking about Robinhood during the squeeze, use the link in the description below for Webull. You will be much better off. It's a very good platform to use. You'll get a couple free stocks. Sell those stocks and buy AMC. Blah, blah, blah. All right. Joey needs you. Want to reach 5,000. Very important part of this movement. Yes, we do need you, Joey. Subscribe. Second time here. Nice. MD. What a name. Nice, MD. Nice. Yeah, that would scare me, Matt. That would scare me. All right, guys, here's the deal. We got 121 likes, 105 people in here. We are getting out. Thank you so much to everybody who showed up today. If you're in here, if you're brand new, you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead, click that subscribe button, join the channel, become a bro, turn on your post notifications. You're going to get notified when we go live every day around, 3:15 to 3:30. We've been going live now. So, very good thing. And here's the deal. Here's the challenge. No, I'm not even going to issue this challenge. Look, I was going to say, if you see some bots spreading some false news, some fake news on Reddit, don't stick up for me on Reddit. Yes, video tonight. Not exactly sure what it's going to be on yet. Got a couple ideas in mind. Not exactly sure what I'm going to be doing on. Well, Matt, I was going to say, man, don't get involved with the people on Reddit, because you don't want that kind of Australian. No, I'm not Australian. You don't want that kind of shade in your life. Never mind. Don't worry about them. Just let them go. Just sub. Nice, Charlie. Glad to have you in here. Thank you for the sub. 3:30, haha. I'm around. Yes. Then you got to wait until around 5 o'clock. That's good. Hungarian. Everybody's got their opinions. Alien videos. Maybe I'll swing that in there somehow, right? Maybe I'll add that little alien conspiracy in there. All right, Big Dog. Yes, I got to email you after I use the restroom. See you tomorrow, my friend. See you tomorrow, Lou. Hope that you have a good evening and hope that everybody else has a good evening as well. Video will be posted probably within a couple hours, right? And what do I say? Until the next time. Marcia, bro, y'all be safe. You be safe too. Bro, leg shaking. Dude, they're getting, like, they keep getting closer and closer to crossing. I'm not leaking, I can tell you that. Good evening, Gregory. Bye-bye. Yes, exactly. Not bye-bye, but bye-bye. Later, Big Dog. See you guys later. And until the next time, I hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Almost broke my tablet.